Well, it's quarter after 7, heading back to trail, stay at the secret shelter. Still trying to get used to sleeping on the ground again, so I kind of toss and turn. I got this like restless leg thing going at the end of hiking. I don't have it like at home, but when I'm out hiking, man, I'm telling you, legs twitch, and I'm moving around. And of course, you're on a Thermarest pad, so it sounds like a potato chip bag every time you move. But luckily, everybody else in the shelter was moving around too, so I didn't feel like too bad. Woke up and met Jake the donkey, so that was kind of fun. he's like a dog, a stubborn dog, but he's a dog, and he likes food, so he kept trying to get into my food bag, so it was kind of funny. So, anyways, just heading up the trail. I'll get ready to start the Stairway to Heaven climb, which is the second climb for the day. See how it goes. Stopped in at the farm store, had a thing of ice cream and a Coke and a Gatorade. And as I was walking, another guy come up. He bought us more ice cream, so I ate some more ice cream. And then I had a roadside dog. It was pretty good. So trying to fuel up for this climb. So anyways, heading on up. Well, just finished another state. New Jersey's in the books. All right, onward to New York. Kind of at the end of the day, I'm a little beat, so I'm pushing it like a little bit. But it's all right though, because that border crossing, I mean, that puts a little oomph in the step. So anyways, continuing on. Well, closing out another day. So camped at Furnace Brook, which is basically flowing water that has 3 stealth sites right next to it. I mean, it's probably one of the best campsites I've run across. So I'm really happy about that. Probably about 24-ish miles. I got to look at tomorrow. Really wanting to set up a great Nero into Fort Montgomery. So tomorrow will be another big day, but knowing that the next day is going to be pretty mellow, and I'll probably, coming out of Fort Montgomery, I'll probably take it easy like a day or so just to kind of give the legs a break. But it's been pretty good. A lot of boardwalk walking today, but then, you know, Stairway to Heaven, which is a legit climb over a lot of rocks and stuff like that. And it's kind of like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, small ups, small downs, small ups, small downs. But over a course of an entire day, it's you know, makes for a very challenging day. Cross from New Jersey into New York. Really excited about that. Had Trail Magic twice. Stopped in and got ice cream and finished it up and was kind of walking away. And one of the day hikers that I kind of passed, you know, and just kind of chatted with a little bit, he bought a thing of ice cream and brought it over to me. So I had more ice cream. So I don't think you can have too much ice cream. So it was almost like a half-gallon challenge again. So it was great. And then kind of coming across one of the roads was a cooler that had some sparkling water. I like sparkling water a lot. I kind of wish I would have grabbed one to throw it in my backpack, but at that point I was already tired and trying to push it. So yeah, it's been a good day, and tomorrow is another day, and I am grateful to that guy that bought me more ice cream. So see ya.